Hey, what up guys, Kunal here and you're watching KS TV. So guys, in today's video I have a good news for you if you're looking to buy a new smartphone, and especially if you're looking to buy a smartphone with a Xiaomi brand in it, then I have an extremely good news for you. So guys, without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. So guys, if you don't know, Xiaomi has recently completed 5 years of its operation in India, and in order to return the love to its Mi fans, Xiaomi has been announcing some permanent price cuts on some of its most popular phones since the beginning of this month. Since January 7, Xiaomi has announced some permanent price cut on some of its most popular phones like the Redmi Y2, the Redmi 6, the Redmi 6 Pro, Redmi Note 5 Pro and Mi A2 as well. So now I'll be telling you as to how much of a price cut each of these smartphones has received. So number one comes the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The base variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro is priced at around 13,000 rupees, which is 3,000 less than its previous price. The previous price of the base variant of Redmi Note 5 Pro was around 16,000 rupees, and now it's priced around 13,000 rupees. Similarly, the Mi A2 also receives a permanent price cut of around 3,000 rupees, and its base variant of 4GB RAM is priced at around 13,999 rupees, that is around 14,000 rupees, which is a pretty hefty price cut for the smartphone. Now moving further down the list comes the Redmi Y2. Earlier price of its base variant of 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory was around 11,000 rupees, and that of the 4GB RAM was around 14,000 rupees. Both of this variant have received a permanent price cut of around 2,000 rupees. So now the base variant cost you around 9,000 rupees and the 4GB RAM variant will cost you around 11,000 rupees. Now as we move further down the list comes the next smartphone, the Redmi 6 Pro. The base variant of the Redmi 6 Pro, that is the 3GB RAM variant, used to cost you around 11,500 rupees, and the 4GB variant used to cost you around 13,500 rupees. So both these variants have received a price cut of around 1,500 rupees. So now the new price of the Redmi 6 Pro's base variant of 3GB RAM, 32GB internal memory will be around 10,000 rupees, and that of its 4GB variant will be around 12,000 rupees. Now moving further down the list, the next smartphone in the list is the Redmi 6. Earlier price of its base variant of 3GB RAM, 32GB memory was around 9,000 rupees, and that of its 3GB RAM, 64GB memory was around 10,500 rupees. The base variant has received a price cut of around 1,000 rupees, so its new price is around 8,000 rupees. While the other variant, that is the 3GB RAM, 64GB memory, has received a price cut of 1,500 rupees, so its new price is around 9,000 rupees. So guys, these are the 5 smartphones that have received a permanent price cut in India, and if you are looking to buy a Xiaomi smartphone, this timing couldn't be more perfect. So what are you waiting for? Go to the mi.com or amazon.in or Flipkart, wherever you want to go. Just go and buy the smartphone as soon as possible. So guys, this was it in the video. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And for more exciting videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel KS TV by clicking on the icon right here. And until then, keep watching KS TV.